This is a particularly rare uh, the Premna species, and the leaves are having that leathery touch, and then some that characteristic kind of a cockroach type of smell also is there, and it is a kind of climbed down to a ficus tree and gone right up to the top. You can see the flowers over there. So it goes right up to the top of these big trees also. Very beautiful and marvelous species. Premna coriacea or something like that. That name, botanical name, I'll write. So that's how it looks. General outlook of the species.